Yeah, we back. I got my little woo with me. My little woo off work, y'all. I'm so ready for her to get off. She went and got me some food. Oh, okay, then. She said she ain't gonna give me none. This we got, y'all. Can y'all see it? I hope y'all can see it. We got a little shrimp. I'm gonna put it across there. The shrimp, little crawfish. Woo!
You gonna keep yours in there? I was trying to see if you had the what you call them, but alright.
Y'all got my hair with nothing to drink.
But a deck.
A deck. Nah, I can go and pull mine out. They talking.
Ooh.
They talking.
I got a little spice on them.
Oh, Lord.
Ooh.
No spice and nothing to drink. That's insane.
These folks just leave these dogs roam around everywhere. They done went from down here to all the way down there. I really got more than you. I'm gonna have to hand some of them over.
Not that one.
I'm gonna hand some of them over.
Move now. Y'all just how like all my crawfish to look.
Oh.
You feel me? I don't like that little
Just for that, you owe me another one. That girl done messed around and caught the daddy.
You waiting on me.
What you do with that big... Oh, man, what you do with the clouds?
I ate them, but what you
I was finna say.
How she tripping?
What time you went to bed?
Me? About 12.
Girl, come waking me up. Shaking me up.
I ain't
talking about
shaking.
looking at you. Look at you.
I ain't shaking. My little woo be lying, boy. Talking about I shook her. I did not shake you. You shook yourself. I was finna take up. Yeah, my little woo say I sleep all over the bed, which I don't.
Yes, you do.
I sleep with my legs out.
Yes, you do.
But this one right here,
soon now.
y'all, I just watched her last night. Y'all, she was spread across the bed like an eagle. Be talking about me though. If I be spread like an eagle, I guess she spread like an airplane. The wings out here, the legs out, just everywhere, like nobody else sleep in the bed with her.
You wasn't in the bed no way.
I said, do I belong in here?
So you out there
The
playing
way
the
she
rag
sleeping.
that you
And you was sleeping like I wasn't coming either.
Baby, I was gone.
Y'all look at the deck. We just
watering. And number one, y'all bring them styrofoam cook.
please and thank you, Killer Crab, because we don't like them. That'd be a waste of money, honestly.
I think I got me one big one. It wasn't as big as the one you had,
But yeah, I'm on. Her child just be sleep all over the bed. I started to take a picture. Don't worry about it. She'll do it again. Me and my friend was talking about this too.
Baby, look clouds on now.
All right now.
Oh, the tail smile them.
Juicy.
I ain't finna let that one grow. Boy, look at them clouds. I'm gonna have some meat out of you. I'm gonna say you fillet.
That's insane.
I'm gonna say you fillet.
Hurry up with that copyright, y'all.
Hey, that my son. Boy, stop that. Putting that stuff in my face.
They must think we some little kids or something.
Everybody always do.
I can't stand it. Like, to a certain extent, it be funny to me because, like, it be funny to me when they ask me for my ID when we at a bar or something. Like, that's funny. You think I'm in here. And I'm not well over 21. I'm finna be all the way over there. All right, come on now. Done turned 21 years ago.
No, we ain't that old.
Close enough. But it just be crazy to me then. But like when you be trying to little girl me and stuff, no. Like don't even play with me like that.
Yeah, I don't like that part either.
Alright, let's not do that.
So baby, I ain't no child. Just like I had to correct some folks. I ain't no baby now. You told your folks how we was supposed to be going to the gym. We ain't went yet.
I don't be messing on my channel.
Wow.
That sound like mess.
It do.
We can still go. What's tea?
Huh?
Gym ain't closed. What's tea?
You real childish.
I'm childish.
That girl said what's tea.
We can still go.
Hey, how y'all doing?
All
Good,
right,
how
how
you
you doing,
I'm
baby?
doing good. I gotta get a bowl from up under me.
Nice.
My
We
boss
can still go. We can still go now.
I don't know. Let me think about it.
Oh, see, now she gotta think about it, y'all. Oh, okay. Y'all finna wrap this up. I see y'all at the house. You can't turn this off, Kenny. I'm trying to get this off. I'm trying.
That's your name. Right to your people.
Y'all, I'm back. Just shy. I'm just shy. I was being work. Let me make sure I can see me. I think I can, though. Dang. I'm struggling. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Right there, time. She's sitting on the phone, not saying anything. Back in the dollar store, though. Getting cleaning supplies. I'm vlogging. Act like you know this. I'm vlogging, girl. Exactly. It ain't for you to hear. Y'all, she being so rude. Apologize. Apologize.
Apologize for what? I didn't say this to you, right, bruh? I apologize.
Alright, I'm sick of her. I'm sick of her. Y'all need to get another one of these for the car. Ain't this the kind of egg? I think so. I think we still got one for the house, so yeah. I really came for cleaning supplies, huh? Don't have any much. Look empty. What time should we go walking? Alright. Alright. Alright, y'all. I'll tune back in with y'all when I get the cleaning supplies. We'll be back. Alright, y'all. So, this is what we have so far. I mean, it's alright, I guess. Will I try wash going again? Maybe. I don't see it being my daily routine. I mean, not daily routine, but like weekly or bi-weekly. I don't know about that, y'all. It's taking me a little minute. We have so far. I haven't did this for yet, obviously. But you know, got that pinned up back there. It's coming along. So I mean, it's alright. It just taking me a little minute. I was watching Devo earlier. So Devo started at 7:21. So about 2 hours, I guess. Don't be too hard on me now, y'all, because this is my first time doing Wash Go in a long time. Well, yeah, about a year. Yeah, because I did when we was in our last apartment, so yeah. It's my first time in a whole year doing a Wash Go on my hair. I am definitely a 2-strand, 3-strand girly. Like, that's what I do, honey. That's what I specialize in, okay? Not washing goes. Okay? Okay. So, y'all, I will be back when I'm finished. Okay, so, y'all, so this is the finished product. You know, results. It started drying in the back already. I don't know if y'all can tell in that. But it's somewhat dry in the back. So this side, I did different from this side. And I'm pretty sure you can tell. I'm pretty sure you can tell the difference in it. Because I got tired. You know, this is going to be a once a month thing, okay? Once a month. We're not doing this all the time. I'm sorry. Let y'all girlies have it because me, I can't do it. I'm sorry. Too much work. Maybe if I can figure out a better method to do it, then I keep doing it. Yeah. Maybe if I figure out a better method, then I keep doing it. Other than that, no ma'am. Took way too long. But you know, y'all, so I'm sitting under this hooded dryer. I'm sitting under this little dryer for a little minute, y'all. As I said, you wanna